Online applications are invited for filling above 636 vacancies in grade 3rd post technical, that is auxiliary nurse and midwife (A&M). Category-wise breakup of post: unreserved 324, OBC MOBC 153, OBC T tribes and Adivasi community 19, SC 44, STP 64, ST Hills 32. PWBD post as per existing government rule norms. Education qualification: A&M training passed from Assam government institution or institution recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Assam Nursing Council and must be registered under Assam Nursing Council with Employment Exchange Registration of Assam. For more details, visit www.dhsfw.assam.gov.in.